Hello and welcome back to my tech travel and lifestyle journey. Hey, here is me, very happy to start YouTube journey and video editing my first video. Hooray! Imported my first media, taking just 10 GB. Aha, nothing compared to what my 1 terabyte MacBook Pro can provide. Happy editing my first video and ready to publish. But what I did not know. 2 days later, 200 GB. I'll publish my first video, but that is 2 days later. This comes to me as a shock. 200 GB used. Where is just 10 GB should have been there. Where is my storage going? What shall I do? Ta-da! There we go. Watch this video till the end to find out how I fix this.
It's 205 GB, which is a lot for a 7.5 minutes video. What we want to see is why this happens in first place, where you see it's 205 GB is not just the video clips. The video clips were like 2 GB, but the time it takes to the storage it takes to render everything, for example any kind of the effects that we add, any kind of changes, color grading, or anything that we do in video editing, it renders a media in the background which stores in our Final Cut Pro file called the FCP bundle, which I will show you in a second. Let's go here and reveal in Finder, and now you will see that there is a roundhepark.fcp bundle, and which is 205 GB, and another file is almost 104 GB, so I need to really get it down. So what I can do is I can delete all the rendered files. For example, if I go in there, roundhepark, so this is my library, I can click the files, go and delete generated library files, and I will see a couple of options here. What I want to delete is delete the rendered files. What we'll do is we will delete the unused only files at the moment, and then we will go with the all, and let's see the space, how much is gonna save us the space. Let's click OK. And by the way, this project is finished. I have already posted the video, so I don't really need that much space for rendering. If I'm doing a live video, I don't delete anything. I still use all the rendered files at that time, but once I post, I can delete all the unused only, and then see the space, and then delete all the rendered files. Let's go and do it. So now it's deleting all the you can see this circle that's coming, that's showing that it's deleting all the unused rendered files, and here we are. So let's see how much it has. You guys will be just amazed to see that it has come down to 7.9 GB from 200 GB when I just deleted all the unused rendered files, and the video is still there. It's the final video, so all the backup rendered files which were unused is gone, and that's where you can save your space. So I will just show you guys again. So if I go and reveal, so it's almost like a 10 GB from a 200 GB here. You can see the roundhepark has come down to 10 GB, and if I click here again, you can see, yeah, so it is 10 GB. There is another way to do it, and if you don't want to render any files at any time, you can go into the preferences, and you can click on the background render. So you can just take the background render off and just save it. So what it will do is it will not do the background rendering at all. And what you can do is you can even select a few clips into the modify, and then you can select to render all or render a selection. But usually I don't prefer that, because I prefer the rendering, because rendering gives you the live video effects on your video, so it helps you in video recording, video editing. So if you guys find this information useful, how to save the space, let me just show you my space constraint. It was running a lot low, I think. And now you can see it's again back to 750, where it was roughly 500 GB. So if you guys find this information useful, just give me a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel for more learning information. Thank you.